In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WooCommerce photography site in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to showcase your portfolio or a hobbyist eager to start selling your work online, this guide will help you get your WooCommerce site up and running with ease. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to WordPress.com. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to build your website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already done so. It's a simple process, and once logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your new site. Now, to make your site visually appealing and easy to customize, you'll want to choose a theme. To do this, look for the Appearance tab on the left sidebar of your dashboard and click on it. This is where you will find different themes that can style your website. It's a good idea to explore your options, as this will set the visual tone for your online photography portfolio. Next, click on Themes under the Appearance tab. You'll find a variety of themes available, but for this setup, we're going to focus on one that's particularly well suited for photographers: Cadence. To find it, use the search bar and type in Cadence. This theme is responsive, highly customizable, and known for its speed and ease of use, making it a popular choice among photographers. Once Cadence appears on your search results, go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to preview the theme and see firsthand how it will affect the look and feel of your website. When you're satisfied, go ahead and activate it. Activating the theme will automatically apply its design and styling to your site, giving you a professional-looking framework to build upon. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've laid the foundation for your WooCommerce photography site. From here, you can start adding your photographs, writing blog posts, and integrating WooCommerce to start selling your prints directly from your site. Remember, setting up your website is just the beginning. Feel free to explore the customization options available within the Cadence theme to further personalize your site. And make sure to regularly update your content to keep your visitors engaged. Thank you for joining me, and happy building!